In this video, I want to talk about the 3 golden rules of Qi Gong, and it's not as mystical as it may sound. So let's jump into this video straight away. What are the 3 golden rules? The 3 golden rules of Qi Gong are to relax the body. Lots of people find it difficult to relax these days. Slow the breath. Most people are breathing in a very shallow manner because of the stress they're under. And guide the mind gently. The mind goes everywhere, right? It's like a time traveler. It's flying over to the future. It's flying back to the past. It's never actually present with in the moment with the body, because the body's always in the moment, right? So this is what we've got to be looking at with Qi Gong. Get these 3 golden rules under your belt when you're practicing it. First, the body is softened rather than forced. We're always softening the body with the mind. So you move very gently, very softly. Tension is released, so movement can feel natural and comfortable. There's times in my classes when I encourage people to tense up, and then when they release, they feel that deeper sense of relaxation in the body. And it's important to get that tension and release when we're doing those types of classes, so that you can feel your body starting to relax more. And the second, the breath is slowed and allowed to settle. So you're starting to breathe deeply into your lower abdomen, filling up your lungs and then expelling that air at the bottom of your lungs, or that stale air that might be sitting there if you haven't been breathing deeply. Just get it out of the body. It's really, really important. Oxygenate your body. So this will help calm the nervous system and support a steady flow within the body. So you want to get a steady flow of energy pulsing through your body, literally. And breathing will help you do that with a focused mind, breathing, and your soft, gentle movements. Third, the mind is placed gently on the movement or the breath. So where your mind goes, your energy begins to follow. So your energy follows the mind. When you go to pick up a cup of tea, say for instance, your energy follows that. When your intention is to go and drive, your energy will follow that. So where your mind goes, your energy follows. When your mind comes to your body, your energy comes back to your body. You get more energized, you feel more energy. So these principles are really important, and they're effective. When practiced together, they create a sense of balance, ease, and connection within you. How good is that? So these are the 3 golden rules of Qi Gong. Qi Gong is a very powerful practice if you don't know anything about it. So how can you go a little bit deeper with me practicing Qi Gong? Let's have a look at that. So if you click the link around this video, you can go to Qi Gong for Beginners, the complete guide. It will give you all the information about Qi Gong. There's the healing power of Qi Gong. It talks about the modern science and the ancient philosophies that are actually starting to match up a little bit. And also I run live Qi Gong classes at the Bright Beans Academy in the UK, 11 a.m. Sunday, 7 p.m. Thursday evenings. We have an international crowd there, which is fantastic. So you can practice Qi Gong, you get practice, you can get yourself into a routine of doing it, which is how this practice starts to deepen. So many people are getting anxious about their health and well-being. Qi Gong is such a brilliant way of doing that. I've got testimonial after testimonial after testimonial at the Bright Beans Academy. Just go to the website, brightbeansacademy.com, look up partners and community, look up testimonials, look up who I've been working with. You'll see reams and reams of testimonials of how good this is for you. So check that out and look at it and see whether you want to get involved with this kind of practice. This is a Korean style of Qi Gong. It will really help you with your health and well-being, help you to focus your mind, soften your body with your mind, and your body will start to work properly, especially in today's stressful age. That is so important. There's another video coming up now that you can watch, answering more questions on Qi Gong. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.